You know what I realized? Your life does not change in these big dramatic moments you're waiting for. It normally changes in small little things you do on a daily basis, even when no one is watching. The truth is, it completely changed everything for me. We are all guilty of it. We keep waiting for a sign, sometimes even a miracle to fix everything. But real transformation, real change, real growth does not work like that. For the past 2 weeks, I shared my personal story on how I reinvested in myself, lessons learned, and the steps you can go with, put in place to become that person you want to become this year. Today, I have come with the habits, simple practices you can do on a daily basis, which can help you to realign your life to become that best and better version of yourself. Just stick around. Let's dive in. Practices are the things we overlook, we underestimate, but the truth is they have a very big impact on our day-to-day life, on how we can reinvest our life, how we can realign ourselves to become that best people we want to become, to build that inner self to become the person we want to see. It took me years, and that's why I'm here to share what I learned on my journey. I'm going to share those simple daily practices which we normally overlook, but they are very impactful on our journey of realigning to become that person you want to see, to reinvest in ourselves, and to build our in-out persons. Start your day with you. Before everything shifted for me, my mornings were just chaos. I would wake up, immediately grab my phone, sometimes a remote to watch a movie, and every else's one's opinion could flood my mind before even I had a chance of having my own thoughts. But one thing I realized is that I did something which switched me to the person I am today. And that one thing is to start my mornings with me. I could start my mornings thinking about what I'm going to start to do, what matters in my life, sometimes even to ask guidance from God. Started my mornings with prayers. So this starting with you, it gives you a chance of becoming your best version, of allowing your thoughts work during the day, throughout the day, helping you to become that person you want to be, the person you want to see, to start visualizing the person you want to become. It could be you want to meditate about what you want to see in a day. It could be praying to get guidance from God. It could be journaling or maybe learning something beautiful to make you grow during the day. When you start with you, it helps you to rebuild yourself. But when you start with someone else's opinion to flood your mind, it will destroy you. And this will help you to understand your best version by letting your thoughts be the powerful thoughts ever. By letting you be the owner of your day. Drive your day, not any other person or any other people's opinions to drive you. Drive it with intention, with grounds to become the person you want to become. Do you want to realign yourself? Start your day. Start your mornings with you. Listen to your feelings. You know, sometimes we forget that our feelings are very important on our day-to-day life. As I told you, the practices we do, the daily habits we do, the things we do matters a lot in our lives. They build us. So our feelings is one of them. How do we feel? Whenever you feel, it's a sign. Your feeling is not a weakness. It's not your enemy. But it's a signal that something is not right. It is communicating something within yourself. This is an instinct which comes from within. That is the real person, the real you, the person you want to become from the inside out. Give it a chance. Give it time to listen to your feelings. Whenever you listen to your feelings, it's like you're building yourself from within. Sometimes it could be maybe you're feeling overwhelmed. Listen to it. It could be that the feelings are telling you, please rest. Sometimes it could be making a whole decision that when you don't listen, you might mess up. Feelings help us to understand. They give us clarity. They help us give us the way and the lesson on how to do, on how to begin, on how to run our day. It is very, very important. Acknowledge them. Embrace your feelings. Listen to them and do what is needed. That is the practice which helped me to build myself within out. And I know it can and it will. Here is what I want you to take away from this. Showing up consistently builds this real confidence. And daily habits, daily practices build this inner strength within. These practices didn't just transform my life, but they helped me to change slowly, honestly, and deeply. And I believe if you try them, they will help you. You don't need to try them all. Just pick one. Try it until it shifts you. Then you add another one. Next week, I'm sharing a tool, a kit I wish I knew when I completely felt stuck. You don't need to miss this. And if this video was really helpful, reminded you of how to start your day or how to have an impactful and effective day, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to be part of this wonderful community and also share it with someone who really needs a reminder of how the day should be run. I'll see you next week. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.